Lana here, and today it's finally the day that I have decided to get my curls back. I haven't had straight hair for that long. It's only been like 5 days. If you guys want to watch my curly to straight video, then I'll leave it right here. I kind of did it as a curly to straight plus avoiding heat damage tips video. It's like all in one, and it's the way that I managed to straighten my hair by only using one part of the hair straightener. I won't go too far into it. If you want to watch it, it's right here. I kind of tried to make the most out of having straight hair, so I filmed a whole bunch of videos for you guys. I really hope that you like them, and they will be coming out like as they come out. So I'm done with straight hair now, so I've decided to get my curls back. Make sure that you thumbs up this video for curly hair, the return of my curly hair. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so you want to turn your notifications so that you don't miss that. The way that you do that is just click the little subscribe button right there and then hit the bell right next to it to make sure that you're notified when I upload a video. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the video. So let me just give you a quick word about the products that I'm using. So I actually decided to do a pre-poo today. You guys know I don't really often do a pre-poo, but I decided, like, I've got a lot of product in my hair. I applied a whole bunch of serums. I've got like heat defense serums, heat defense sprays. I was applying like an oil mist spray every day, and I recently did these braids like literally like an hour ago. I used some serum as well, so I've got a lot of products. So I'm going to use a lot of shampoo to like get it all out of my hair. So I want to start off first of all with a pre-poo, just to make sure that I lift all of this dirt and gunk off of my hair. So I just want to make sure that I can break that all down and lift it all off whilst also protecting my hair, because I'll probably repeat the shampoo process twice just because I want to make sure that my hair is completely cleansed. So let's do this little pre-poo. So I'm using my Vita Coco coconut oil for this. It's extra virgin, cold pressed, 100% raw coconut oil, and let me tell you, I just want to eat it. It smells so good. Like the inside of a bouncer. If you ever had a coconut macaroon, I'll be back in 5 minutes. I just gotta go microwave this little thing. So I decided to show you guys how I do this. So you actually don't want to microwave your coconut oil if you can avoid it, because if you microwave your coconut oil, you're actually going to get rid of a lot of nutrients. I only learned that kind of recently, so it's better to double boil. So this is done, so we can take it off and we can use that now. So I've got my coconut oil in this little plastic tub. So obviously I gotta take my hair down. Oh, and by the way, I braided my hair. The video for the braiding is going to be up soon, and I will put it there when it's up. I don't know when it's going up, but it's going to go up. I'm going to put it right there. So I'm going to use a spoon to put this coconut oil all over my hair. I don't have that much. I'm just going to kind of keep, oh, that's quite a lot on my head actually. I'm just going to keep it to the roots because that's where most of the product buildup is. It's where my hair's kind of greasy, and it's where I'm going to be focusing the shampoo as well. So just stick this all on there. On the rest of my hair, I'm actually just using this Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Conditioner as a pre-poo. Flip my hair just to make sure my hair is evenly covered. Got some curls starting to make a comeback already. Obviously most of my curls aren't going to come back until after I wash it. So this is all just part of the pre-poo. Hello curls. They're on their way. Not here yet. They're not here yet, they're just on their way. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a plastic cap on my head, and I'm just going to let this sit for like half an hour as a little treatment. So to do that, I'm actually just going to wrap my hair up. Come back to me, curls. Come back to me. Oh. So we're going to sit with this bag on our head for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to let the oil do its thing. We're going to let the oil penetrate my hair. We're also just going to let it protect my hair and create a protective barrier against the shampoo, because even though I'm going to use the Shea Moisture shampoo, which is sulfate free, my hair's weak right now, so we're just going to do the most to protect it and just get the curls back. Alright, so it's been more than 20 minutes. It's been more like 40 minutes because I just got stuck doing something. So now my hair is all oiled up. Let's go ahead and wash my hair. Go ahead and jump into the shower. So I know that this is the bit that some of you guys have probably been waiting for. This is the bit where the water goes to my hair and my curls literally come back. Like, it takes a little while, so It's not like instant. So I just saturate my hair with the water. I don't ever have the water too hot. You can see the steam coming off my head. Like, it's definitely warm, but you know, I'm not like, I don't have crazy hot showers, you know, it's not like scalding. It doesn't make my skin red or anything like that. It's kind of just warm. And the main reason for that is because I don't really want to damage my hair with hot water, because hot showers can actually be pretty damaging for your hair. So mildly warm water is the way to go. So my hair is completely wet now, and as you can see, those little waves are coming back. My curls are definitely back for sure. Like, obviously you're not going to see ringlets right now because my hair doesn't turn into ringlets until it's dry. It's so weighed down by the water. But look! They're back. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure I remember being a bit worried at this point. Like, I was like, where are they? Where did the curls go? But they're back. So this is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. So I am just going to rub that all over my scalp to begin with. And I want to make sure I do a really good job of cleansing my hair. Like I said at the start of this video, I had a lot of products on my hair during this time. And also, I don't know about you guys, but when I straighten my hair, it doesn't matter how well I do it, I'm probably going to get that kind of like burny smell, you know, it's unavoidable. So I just want to get rid of that. So when my hair is fully clean and rinsed out, then I went in with my Numi Main Goals deep conditioner. Now this actually came in my package with my Numi hair straightener, and it's a deep repair mask. I've been using it as a deep conditioner lately because it's just so good. So I open it up, I split everywhere, and then I get a huge dab of this and I just run this all through my hair from the mid-length to the ends. And I do say that maybe you shouldn't put this on the roots of your hair, but you can honestly do whatever you want. Just make sure that you rinse it off thoroughly. You can put this right up to the roots of your hair if you want to. Just make sure that it doesn't cling to your scalp, because it will kind of block your pores on your scalp if you leave this on. So then I go ahead and I just comb this through, make sure that my hair is evenly covered, and then I sit with a mask on my hair again for about 15 minutes. So this is kind of a long wash day. And then when that has been sitting on my hair for 15 minutes, I go ahead and I rinse that out. My hair feels super soft, nourished, conditioned, and I'm not going to use another rinse out conditioner at this point. My hair has already had a pre-poo. I've now had a deep condition. I'm going to rinse it out and I'm going to jump straight into the styling. So I'm using my As I Am leave-in conditioner as a leave-in. So I just go ahead and I get a huge dollop of that and I rub that all the way through my hair from the mid-lengths through to the ends. I only want to have this on the mid-lengths because, like I said before about the deep conditioner, I don't like to have leave conditioner on my roots because I feel like it can weigh my hair down and clog my follicles on my scalp. So mid-lengths to ends for my leave-in conditioner, and then I go ahead with my Cantu curl activating moisturizing cream, whatever it's called, something like that. I'll leave it in the description box down below. And I just get this all the way through my hair. I try my hardest to make sure that it's evenly applied, and I use a wide tooth comb just to kind of ensure that it's evenly applied, you know. And then, seeing as this is a straight to curly routine, I decided to throw in a few little finger coils just to make sure that my hair is as springy and bouncy and coily and defined as it possibly can be. So then I left my hair to air dry. I tried not to disturb my curls because I just wanted to give them the best fighting chance that they could possibly have to come back to life fully and not like a zombie or anything like that. So yeah. My curls are dead. I'm kidding. They're back, they're alive. Obviously, if I straightened my hair too much, then they would die, but I think that with the one pass technique that I used, like, my curls pretty much survived, so I'm happy about that. And I do have a confession to make. I put on the same jumper and I put on the same lipstick as I had on when I filmed the start of this video, but I just did not have time to film the results right away. Like, for some reason, like, I just ended up being really busy and I didn't get to film my hair like as soon as it dried. So this is actually like 4 days later, but it is the same wash. Like, I haven't washed my hair again since then, so this is the same wash. I just kind of refreshed my curls a little bit for the video, but as you can see, the curls are back. They came back to life, and something that I did to kind of help them, which I think is just like another little tip that you guys might be interested in, is I actually did a little bit of finger coiling here and there. I don't know if my hair exactly needed it, I just did it anyway, just because I thought, you know, my hair might need a little bit of help just remembering what it's all about, remembering how to curl up properly. So I did a few finger curls here and there, and I think that my hair is healthy. I think we did a good job. I don't think I damaged it in any way. So I'm really happy about that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, you must get me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat for all of the behind the scenes, for more like about my hair routine and mainly just stuff about my life, what I'm doing, and it's the best way to keep up with me and tell me what videos you want me to make and stuff like that. So I will leave that right here, and it will also be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you add me. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications because I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Guys, we're gonna make it to 100,000 subscribers soon. I can feel it. I know it's gonna happen soon, and I really want you guys to be on board because I want to do something really special for you guys when we get there. So leave me something in the comments below, something that you want, like if I did a giveaway, what would you want, or just anything else, like would you want me to do a meetup, like something special, you guys, because I would love to do a meetup, but I don't know if you guys would want to do it. So leave it in the comments if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!